pushing it right forward. You don't want to go much faster, you need to stay in control, don't you?
Any Funyuns? Funyuns! This is just grab and go aisle. We've got pizza, Harry.
Oh, got a little bit of pizza left.
In a pumpkin. Here, hang on. It's just it's been rested. Oh, we need another. You'll pick another age. What's this? What about this one here? Harry, what about this one here? That looks about the same size. Yeah? Similar size?
You're going to be overweight.
There you go. Dynamite.
But I know.
Sweet, tangy. Must be another candy aisle. Reese's peanut butter bar. Giant. Oh, I think I've had one of these before. Oh, I'll take one of them. M&M's. $1.5 litres for $51. Yeah, barrel bourbon, 31. 1.5 litres of Fireball, $50. That is a bargain. $45 for Johnny Walker Red Label, 1.5. $60 for 1.5 litres of Jameson's. And that is a good deal. And then this is pop off, $10, $15 for 1.75 litres of pop off, or 13.
Oh no, 11. 11.49.
11.49, and there you go. That's your, your bottom shelf.
Absolute vodka.
Oh, you can go Absolute. I saw this and I thought it was for humans. I didn't realise we were in dog section. I'd take some duck jerky if they did it. But it is definitely dog treats, so I'm sure Wilson would love it.
I bet this stuff goes down so quick. Hard iced tea.
We'll get some of that Jack Daniels if you want to try them.
No, because if they're horrible, we've
Well,
done with them then.
it's not going to be horrible, is it? We might have to edit audio out on this. Well, it didn't take much for it to match. Oh yeah.
Look at that jukebox.
75-inch 4K. CCL. Yeah. How much is Samsung for a 40-inch Samsung? 248. 168 for a Vizio. Yeah. Yeah, even cheaper. Yes. It's probably what I'll get for basement for editing on. Full HD.
This is maybe 349, I'm guessing.
Anti-rocker. Probably content matched. Well, this is one of the cool things that Walmart does. If you want to start collecting vinyl, they've got some turntables and they've got a pretty reasonable selection of vinyl to get you going. You can pick up some nice stuff in here. $23.
Arcade machine.
Limited edition red vinyl. Mariah Carey. What's she raking in for this? $24. That'll be a good Christmas album. Police, greatest hits, remastered half speed. Look at that. It at $45. But you're getting some pretty good songs on there. $47 for a burgundy the works. Yeah. $300 gets you a. So what we got in there? We got Mortal Kombat, Defender, Paperboy. Wow. These are $300. This, I don't know which one's which. Capcom Legacy, Mortal Kombat, yeah. And for some reason, this one's got Pac-Man in Galaxian. Yeah, Galaga. So that's more expensive. Miss Pac-Man. This one's 300. I think prices are mixed up. Yeah. I think. Oh, pity you can't pick which ones you want on there, because I like Defender and Paperboy. I'm not really a Pac-Man guy, but Galaxian and Galaga and Dig Dug. Yeah. Oh, it's a pity you can't mix and match. I'm sure you can. Oh, what's that? Someone decided not to buy Fleetwood Mac. We'll stick it. We'll stick it back for them. Oh, what's Harry spotted? Oh, is that you too?
Yeah.
What's that coming in at?
47.88.
We need it for us. We need that, Harry, for us pop figures. Jack Grealish. Ha.
$36.
What's Tommy Queen in that
No,
much?
that's Office. It's the Office.
I thought it was Queen. Thought that was Freddie Mercury. No, that's Freddie. I've got the album.
What's that meant to be? 25.
How much? 25 for that one. Cyndi Lauper. If Cindy's half price, I'm having her.
It's just too much. Too much.
No, we've got to have U2. It's Acton Baby one, I think, and all in it. U2, Zoo TV, Zoo Roper Tour. So we scanned this, even though it's staying here $47, actually came up at $70 when I scanned it. So sorry guys, a little bit too rich. We've got a festival to go to. We'll get you another time. And Cyndi Lauper, she came up at full price and not half price either. So no Cyndi. Smart ass. Rock'em sock'em. Welcome packs here.
I just asked him if he still wants me to keep looking for it.
It's these down here.
Wait for a reply.
What were they called?
It was Sword and Shield, Silver Temple.
Shield.
Can't see what it is, does it? If we can.
That's not it.
Bowden's Shion. Keep sending me pictures, I want it.
We have an whole aisle dedicated to Lego. Star Wars. Technical price on that Mustang. I guess we so well, you got to use your own imagination here. $50 for 1,800 pieces. That's not bad. Proper Lego. Harry Potter stuff here. Oh, Dobby. Oh, Dobby is $35. We've checked out, but we've seen more Pokemon. So Harry's back in. Are they the same ones? We're not sure.